Hi everybody, it's Miss Fred. I'm going to be teaching you multiplying polynomials using the box method. When you get done watching the two videos on this concept, you need to look for the 7-8 multiplying polynomials worksheet. You need to write all the problems out and then upload it to Google Classroom. And then you need to complete the check for understanding where you write all the problems out again and then upload them to Google Classroom. Make sure you're showing all work. So this first set of problems, when we look at it, they're going to look very similar to the distributive property that you've been doing for a long time. When you look at the x's, remember there's invisible ones for the exponent. And I'm going to use this graphic organizer to help me do the distributive property so I keep everything nice and tidy and I can keep track of what I'm doing. So I'm putting the 6x to the first power in the first box, and then I'm going to write the binomial, which is up here at the top of the box, making sure that I take the negative sign or the minus sign and sticking it with the -2 right here. So now I'm going to multiply. So it's 6x times x, which is that distributive property idea again, which you can do it that way, but I just want to give you a different option. So add the exponents together on the same base x gives you power 2, and you're multiplying 6 times 1, which is 6. And then multiply 6x minus 2, so you get -12x. And you do not have like terms, so you can just finish the problem. So 6x times x minus 2 is the answer, 6x squared minus 12x. Okay, we're going to set up the next problem exactly the same way. Okay, don't forget the positive 1 exponents. So x times x is x squared. We're adding the ones together, and 3 times 4 is 12. So add the exponents, multiply the numbers in front of the variable, often called the coefficient. This is -15x. And then that again is equal to the original problem that we started with. All right, next set of problems. They're slightly different, but similar. The powers are just going to be higher. To copy these problems down, you can stop the video. Okay, you're going to set up the problems exactly the same way. Check the problem. Oh, looks like we have an invisible 1 that we need to put in, and an invisible 1 over here on number 4. So you put the 5x squared in the blue box. And then you can see again, it's the same problem, right? Except for this is power 2. So when you add the 2 plus 1, you get x cubed. And 5 times 7 is 35. So now the power here is 3. So you can see it's just a little different. Okay, 5x squared times 1 is just 5x squared. So our final answer is 35x cubed plus 5x squared. And I should have put the plus sign in there. I'll try to keep track of that. It helps you when you're going to level up in terms of the difficulty of the problem. So it's important to keep the sign. Okay, try this problem. Pause the video. Okay, hopefully that problem felt pretty natural at this point. So I'm going to just finish it out. Don't forget the invisible 1. Okay, check your work. These are not like terms. So we just want to rewrite the answer again. So if you just left the box as your answer, your teacher would most likely mark it incorrect. So make sure you're rewriting. Okay, get ready. We're going to level up.